How to fix matchmaking error number 1. I'm going to tell you how to fix matchmaking error number 1. This error usually hits when servers are down or your connection's just not syncing right. First, check the game's server status, whether it's Fortnite, Apex, or another title. Because if the servers are under maintenance or overloaded, there's nothing to fix on your end. If everything looks fine, restart the game and your console or PC still not working, clear your cache. On console, that usually means a full shutdown and unplug for 30 seconds. On PC, try flushing your DNS or restarting your router. Also, make sure your NAT type is open and that no firewall or VPN is blocking the connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection for more stability. And if none of that works, reinstalling the game or contacting support might be your last move.